It's time for the X-Game console. Shall we try out some Nintendo games? Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. And in today's video we are going to test out some Nintendo Entertainment System. Because the X-Game has a support for NES games. And let's test it out because I'm really curious, is it even playable on this thing? First game, Super Mario Bros. How is it? Wow, alright, the sound is fucked up. Sorry that I need to say it this way because I have no other way of just saying it. Well, sometimes was hicking up the soundtracks. Screen tearing, oh my god, a lot of screen tearing. A little bit of lag. Can still enjoy this game. Next game. Wow, and just like the other game, this thing is having a really big time with the soundtracks. Hey, I got Spreadshot. Oh, this is a hack version. Oh frick. Why did I just do that? So, it seems to be it got that same problem with Mario, that screen tearing thing a little bit, but then overall it's not bad at all. No, not bad at all. Just blow up the bridge, come on. So, and the sound itself, I don't know if you can hear it on the camera. Now it's not hicking up anymore, now it's not that stuttering. Alright, weird. Wow, it seems to be that this music is on turbo mode or something. Now it's not stuttering anymore, but now it's freaking turbo mode. Oh yeah, this is not normal. It seems that the frame rate is just great, but it's just the music that is again the problem. Yeah, the glitch what you now see, that is just normal. That has the original game too. Wow, he just punched me right up in the face. Let's try some Robocop with this turbo punch. Do I have a turbo button? Oh yeah, I got a turbo button. Turbo pusher. What? Nobody can defeat me with my turbo punch. Mwah. Got a problem? Talk to the face. Because the fist is not listening anymore. Because it's punching everything around. Alright, I needed to show this. Wow, it's totally glitching. Alright, now it's not glitching anymore. Whoa. See that trick jumping, man? So yeah, let's just talk about the final conclusion because I have seen enough. The games are playable. It's got a lot of screen tearing. The sound itself, it seems to be when starting up the game, it got some little bit of a hiccup, it got some really big issues, but when playing and listening to it, it sounds great. Still, it got that little bit of an unclear, how do you say it in English, that the sound is not that clear like the original sound, and I'm a really soundtrack junkie, so for me this is a no-go. But yeah, it seems to be playing a lot of these, games just fine, and with fine I mean it's not like it should be. I can still enjoy the games, but then overall, yeah, it's a shame. It got the support of many platforms, X-Game console, but ooh, almost failed that one. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome Wicked videos. And see you next time. And he is going to glitch some more. So yeah, bye bye.